Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about the Saints Row 3 crashing on startup problem. So if you are facing the Saints Row 3 crashing on startup problem in Windows 10 and 11 PC, I will tell you how to fix it. I will show you all the steps in this video, you have to follow them, and by the end of the video you will be able to fix the problem. Now let's watch it and learn it.